ready to give your blog a stunning makeover. In this short tutorial, we'll walk you through installing a brand new template from Sora Templates to transform your blog's look and captivate your readers. First things first, let's head over to the Sora Templates website. You'll want to navigate to their template or theme collection to browse the incredible designs available. Take your time here. You might find the perfect fit for your niche immediately. As you scroll, pay attention to the different styles and layouts. Sora Templates offers a fantastic range, from minimalist and clean to vibrant and feature-rich. Once you spot a template that catches your eye and aligns with your blog's personality, click on it for a closer look. On the template's detail page, you'll usually find a demo and more information. When you're ready, locate the download button and click it. This will typically download a compressed file, like a zip file, containing all the template's assets. Now, you'll need to extract the contents of that download. On most operating systems, you can simply right-click the zip file and choose an Extract All or Unzip option. This will create a folder with all the necessary files for your new template. Next, we'll head over to your blogging platform's administrative area. Look for the Appearance or Themes section. This is where you manage your blog's design. Within the Themes section, you should see an option to add new theme or upload theme. Click on this. Since you've downloaded a Sora template, you'll want to use the Upload feature. This will bring up a File Explorer. Navigate to the folder where you extracted your Sora template files and select the main template zip file. Then, click Install Now. Your platform will now install the template. Once it's installed, you'll see it appear in your list of available themes. The most crucial step is to click the Activate button to apply this new design to your blog. And there you have it. Your blog now sports a fresh, new look with your chosen Sora template. Take a moment to explore the options to customize colors, fonts, and layouts further to truly make it your own.